number.
First initial, A and G.
A and G. I just need a letter between A and G. M is not one.
C.
C. All right, here's the sequel. All right, you got to point out somebody else.
What?
You got to point out somebody else and get another letter between A and G that's not
Okay,
C.
give him another letter.
Anything.
B.
B. It's gonna be B minor. Are you cool with that?
Yeah.
Anybody else? I need a letter between A and G.
Come on, it's not that
This is
hard.
your
I
song.
flunked already.
E.
What is it?
E.
E. All right. What's your name?
Marie.
Marie.
Yeah.
All right, Marie. Husband, boyfriend, brother?
Boyfriend, not husband.
Yeah, I can't see that far.
Hey, Eddie,
There it is.
don't let him do that to you.
There's no ring. Shame on you, sir.
If she got to go that far, come on.
This song's called Marie's Birthday. I'm talking about Marie. I said I'm talking about Marie.
Go ahead, Eddie, start dancing, baby.
Marie, it's your birthday, it's a special one. You wearing neon like you was 21, but you're not, baby, you 22, yeah, you see. I'm talking about you, that's my girl Marie. Talking about your boyfriend, yeah, he's filming me. This ain't your present though, but yeah, you see. That's what I'm talking about, me, I sing. Boyfriend, dog, where is the ring? But that's okay though, you're gonna drag it on. I'm even up here singing her damn song, making up on the spot. Marie's looking hot, we talking about this, yeah, you know, Red Rock the spot. Marie's, it's a birthday, you know. She gon' hang like this, yeah, at this show. Acoustic on the front of a truck. Oakley, just my luck, cause you know they don't suck. They the best in the space. And honestly, you see, if you really smart, you go Oakley. And F all them other brands, please understand. And this is a shout out to Marie's man. Marie's man, you better do it right and tell her that you love her tonight. And
Go
maybe
there.
say that you gon' spend the rest of your life. Won't go that far, but your wife, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I sing, talking about Marie, where is her ring? She just wants it, so don't let it linger. She's like, ha ha, I need something on my finger. Marie, now it's your birthday, neon pink like every day. I don't know how it got, who that other dude is, Mr. Playboy over there. It's true, he's like your sidekick, or maybe like a side dick. Are there kids around here? I can't say it. I'm trying to keep it PG, but if you ask me, they told me to keep it classy at the country club. Wow, but that's just how we throw it down. Freestyle forever, cause you know we got it now. We talking about Las Vegas, Sunday evening. Marie's over there, yeah, well you know she's seeing a good time. What more can I say? I hope here you ain't celebrating her birthday. Take her to a nice dinner, show her the Ritz. So whatever you talking about, get into it. How much you love her, how much you need a touch. And you can't live without her, you need her so much. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Marie, it's your birthday, so you know this is how we be. And we chillin', you see, talking about Marie. Birthday, yeah, we'll be go Marie now. It's your birthday, we gon' party like it's your birthday. Gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. It's Marie's 21st birthday, maybe 22. Marie, it's your birthday. And your dude's filming me on your birthday. He's gonna put it on YouTube and say happy birthday. Dog, this is not your present, it's her birthday. Now she's got a Louis Vuitton bag, probably got a couple watches, I don't really know, yeah. You the boss is what she likes to do in her spare time, massages, I don't really know. She goes to the Bellagio though, and she can hang out with whoever, so you could do it like this, but yeah, you know, you better treat her right on her special day, cause it's Marie's one, what more can I say? Marie, if you ask me, everybody should celebrate here, the booze is free. Take a couple shots, cause today you looking hot. And the Playboy dude over there, you know he won't stop. He's gonna drink the bar until it's dry. Marie, you gon' fly tonight into the sky. It's your birthday though, we gon' have fun. Like I said before, party like you was 21. Marie, now it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. Oh, for real, Marie, it's your birthday. We go Marie now, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a, it's not your birthday. This the last verse that I gotta say. Marie, you having fun here today. You came out early, it's only like 6. Dinner's at 8, right? You got a reservation. Yeah, you pick her up in a limo or however you roll. Even if it's in your own car or a taxi cab though. As long as you have that emotional line that says, baby, forever you'll always be mine. Or something, whatever. You could Google nasty lines. You could Google classy ones too. They all fine. She just wants to hear some emotion from you. And you better look her in the eyes so you know that it's true. But that's how he goes. You know he's got the phone and he's gonna be distracted cause yeah, he's in the zone and doing whatever he does but take a night off. Your fantasy football doesn't matter, jerk off. But it's okay, you know what I'm saying. It's Marie. She doesn't get to hang out too much, yeah, you see, cause it's a special day and you only get one every 365, yeah, so you better have some fun. Even though it's Sunday night, it's a school night, and we could do it forever. You could party all night, and you could do it like this. You could chill with me, we could sing you songs forever, my girl Marie. Pink neon, and this one's for you. So Marie, happy birthday, cause you know that it's true. Shout out to your boyfriend and the playboy. Again, I keep going back to him, but he pretends to be not interested in the whole thing. So maybe, dog, you could go and buy the ring for your dude and help him out so he could propose. He's like, you're getting me in trouble, yo. And it's how it happens, and I apologize. So we gonna do it like this, yeah, hypnotize on this little beat that Chris made. My feet tapping like this, cause it's all about Marie. Birthday girl, show her the world. She could get whatever she wants, yeah, you heard. We talk about it one more time, and all I gotta say is these 3 lines. Marie, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. Go Marie, yeah, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And we know it's Marie's birthday. Yeah, thank you guys for listening. Appreciate it. Happy birthday, Marie.